Oluwa nyetono mula o. Biko nyetono mula o. Okay, everyone, welcome to our channel. Good afternoon from here. Today is vlog day. I have a lot of things to do today and I'm going to carry you guys along, but if it's your first time here, please don't go without subscribing. Subscribe to our beautiful channel. Subscribe to our beautiful family, okay? Subscription is totally free. Please don't go. Support this babe right here by subscribing. Join my beautiful family. You're going to love us. You gotta like yanyi. Okay? So join my beautiful family by subscribing. My returning subscribers, thank you all for coming back to watch our videos. I don't take it for granted. So guys, today is a beautiful day. It's sunny day here. Yes, the weather is so bright, sunny. I'm going to the man got keep here. So it's very, very sunny outside and we are excited. It's not cold at all. I'm going to take you guys out with me today, okay? We're going to go out and you see what I'm telling you about the weather. It's so bright and good, okay? So guys, this camera, I am not getting used to it at all. This camera, not getting used to it at all. All right, but all the same, and holding it is holding it is hard. Holding the camera is hard. So first I will be making suya spice today. I roasted granite. I made granite, homemade granite yesterday. So I'm going to use it to make my suya spice because I have run out of the one I made last time. Holding camera like this is not easy. My hands is spinning me. We're not under. Why not? It's a nice combo. Okay, let me stop making you totorito with this homemade granite and carrot. That is cool.
Again, I'll cook. Which one am I? Am I good or am I bad? Yes!
It's always what he said.
Are you listening?
Yeah.
Are you getting what she's saying? Yum, yum, yum. So yum, yum. Even on a break. Everything na yummy, yummy here. Look at that original Ofe Ulo. Ofe Ulo. Ofe Achi. Ofe Ede. Ofe Okpo. Ha niile ewe Ofe Ulo. That is Ofe Ulo. Ofe Achi. Ofe Achi. Look at that goodness. Everything is in this soup.
Huh.
Tuna on the mix.
If you give me more now, I'm handing over. If hustle pay me now, I'm handing over. If hustle pay niggas, I'm handing over. I'm handing over. Nigga get this bag anyhow we be. Bad as if bad we go get the money. For that kind life me not get energy. For that kind bag where they give energy. How they quiet the streets mama they fine. In your kwa mumula me go they fine. In your kwa my guys then go they fine. In your kwa my babes then go they fine. It's supposed to be say. It's supposed to be say everywhere don't steal. It's supposed to be say. It's supposed to be say everywhere don't matter about. I try. Only when you tune no mumula oh. Eh, people you tune no mumula oh. Try. I'm handing over. If you give me more now, I'm handing over. If hustle pay me now, I'm handing over. If hustle pay niggas, I'm handing over. I'm handing over. Oluwa do me a one benzo. Oluwa do guys see one benzo. I suppose them my new benzo. I suppose them my new crib. But then
it's not bad.
Far away. All the money
So
from my
you realize during the summer.
I see the hustle make it they pay. I see the struggle make it they pay.
Hey!
Every day me I just pray. Every day me I thank God.
What is
You not get them.
Okay guys, this is another day. I didn't conclude the vlog yesterday, so we just had our bell pepper juice. Hello, mister. Are you okay?
Hello, guys.
Okay, the kids are in the parlor. They are on break. Emmanuel, where is your own?
That's here. He's doing a monkey, puppet. A monkey puppet. So
Look, it has a smiley face.
alright, let's
Okay. Let me take you to my office and show you what I am up to. Look at that.
Who are those people?
He's helping me.
Sometimes they send me to come and do this thing, and I will be eating granite and pimples will be destroying my face.
Even me. pimple is all over my face. So, but that is
Groundnut is a good thing though.
suya. I'm missing everywhere. If you want to know how I make this suya spice, I have the video on our channel. Go check it out. Okay? Go check it out.
It's supposed to be everywhere, don't matter now. Chai, Oluwanye tuno mumula Biko nye tuno mumula chai. Amande no bad. If you give me mula now, amande no bad. If hustle pay me now, amande no bad. If hustle pay niggas, amande no bad. Amande no bad. Oluwa do me a one benzo. Oluwa do guys see one benzo. I suppose get my new benzo. I suppose get my new crib. Bad energy stay far away. All the money come my way. I see the hustle make it they pay. I see the struggle make it they pay. Every day me I just pray. Every day me I thank God. You not get the name. Blessings follow. Hi, chai, Oluwanye tuno mumula Biko nye tuno mumula chai. Amande no bad. If you give me mula now, amande no bad. If hustle pay me now, amande no bad. If hustle pay niggas, amande no bad. Amande no bad. Nigga get this bag anyhow we be. Bad as the bad we go get the money. For that kind life me not get them. Now that kind bag where they give energy. How they why they treat mama they fine. In your kwa mumula me go they fine. In your kwa my guys then go they fine. In your kwa my babes then go they fine. It's supposed to be say. It's supposed to be say everywhere don't steal. It's supposed to be say. It's supposed to be say everywhere don't matter mouth. Chai, Oluwanye tuno mumula Biko nye tuno mumula chai.
Kelewele. So daddy is upstairs, right? I'm going to give him some. I'm watching Edge's food corner here. Alright, we're going to give daddy some, right?
Yeah.
The machine and they can do hot.
Which ones are the cold ones?
This side is the cold one. This side. I'm not bad. I'm going to give them small because I have many mouths here. The boys body not much.
That's a lot.
Wow, that bigger than the Kelewele. We have to eat together. Okay guys, that is it for today's vlog. I'm going to end it here and enjoy my Kelewele. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. I don't take it for granted. Okay, see you in our next video. Bye guys.